Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Venmo Crypto and set transfer preferences easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install Venmo and access cryptocurrency features, start by downloading the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the download is complete, open the Venmo app on your device. If you already have a Venmo account, log in using your email or phone number and password. If you're new to Venmo, tap on Sign Up to create an account using your phone number or email. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your name, phone number, and bank details. After your account is set up, navigate to the Manage Balance section on the home screen. Scroll down until you find the option for Crypto. Tap on Crypto to explore Venmo's cryptocurrency offerings. You will see a variety of cryptocurrencies available for purchase, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. To buy crypto, select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Enter the amount you wish to buy and review the transaction details. Once you're satisfied, tap on the Buy button to complete the purchase. Now that you've bought cryptocurrency, you may want to set your transfer preferences. Go back to the main menu and tap on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, look for the Payment Methods option. Here, you can set your bank account or card preferences for transferring funds. Select your preferred transfer method and follow the prompts to confirm. To ensure security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in the Security section of Settings. Once everything is set up, you are ready to manage and transfer your cryptocurrencies on Venmo. You can now easily buy, sell, or transfer crypto directly through the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.